This is how I join Quilt-As-You-Go blocks using a folded strip on the front. I'm now sewing the part that is a bit bulkier because I'm joining seams that are already sewn. Notice that I am trimming a bit of the seam allowance just to reduce bulk, especially in the center seam. So now I'm aligning the quilted pieces pretty sides up, and I am matching the seams carefully and securing that spot with a few stitches so everything stays in place when I add the strip. Perfect, everything is looking good, so now we're gonna add the strip. The strip I'm using is 2 inches and a quarter wide, folded in half lengthwise. I place it over the seam, aligning raw edges, and I stitch it down through all the layers, the 2 quilted blocks and the folded strip. Since there's a lot of bulk in the center, I increase my stitch length slightly. Mine here is set to 3.0. This helps the needle glide more smoothly and avoid thread tension issues. I recommend stitching slowly, especially through the bulkier parts. And remember to backstitch at the beginning and end of your seam to secure it. Once that's sewn, I open the blocks and flatten the seams as best as I can. You can also press it with steam to help everything lie flat. Now, fold the strip over the seam and stitch it down close to the folded edge. I also stitch on the opposite side of the strip for extra stability. This secures both sides, prevents puffiness or shifting in the bulky center, and gives a nice, clean finish. And just like that, your Quilt-As-You-Go blocks are joined together. Fast, effective, and fully machine stitched. I give it a quick press and trim the edges to clean it, and we are done. This is part of my emotional fitness practice, because when life feels overwhelming, choosing ease like this technique can be a small but powerful way to stay grounded and keep moving forward.